Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on Nasdaq. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that Nasdaq is showing significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see the Nasdaq is long-term bullish market. Currently, the price has triggered monthly liquidity zone. This is the monthly resistance. The price has triggered this liquidity and had a rejection. Now, with that rejection, what we can expect is Nasdaq to come back down for a deeper pullback from the longer term perspective. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly, this is a long term bullish market. As you can see, starting with this impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, we see that Nasdaq has reached this important weekly resistance level where there is the previous swing high, and we have seen after triggering that liquidity the price had a rejection. Now with that rejection, what I think that, as you can see, this is an overextended to the upside. We can expect a pullback in this market. Now if we take our Fibonacci for this move, starting of this move to the end of the move, we can see that Nasdaq currently approaching to 38.2% Fibonacci level. What I think that the price may continue to drop to this Fibonacci level, and also this is a very important gap opening. Also below this doji there is a high liquidity zone, and I think that slowly Nasdaq from the weekly perspective as well may continue to drop to this level. Looking at the daily, from the daily, we can see the trend is very strong. We have seen this strong trend, and we saw in that zone the price currently has broken out of this trend, and there has been a reversal pattern. The price has dropped. The bulls tried to break this high with this green candle. Instead, we saw the price is respecting this resistance line from the daily, and what I think that the price may retest this level and then continue to drop in that direction. Now from the further lower time frame perspective, from 4 hour perspective, we see that this is showing typical bearish price action. Now we saw with this liquidity gap with this long week candle has a strong drop, and couple of dodges, the bulls tried to break this high, failed to do that, and we have seen a strong rejection again, followed by again to the resistance zone. Now we see the previous session the price has formed this middleman, which also has a liquidity at the top, has crossed this dodges high, and from that level we can expect Nasdaq to continue to drop. As we see, the market has formed a reversal pattern along the zone. Higher time frame price action is coming down for a pullback. On the lower time frame, we can expect Nasdaq to continue to drop. Now this is the zone that I'm waiting for a potential entry opportunity on Nasdaq. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below to help this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.